Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Khan Academy mobile app works. Khan Academy is a free educational platform offering thousands of lessons in math, science, history, and more, designed for learners of all ages. The mobile version allows users to study on the go, track progress, and engage with interactive exercises at their own pace. The app provides access to a vast library of videos, practice questions, and personalized learning dashboards. It includes math from early grades to calculus, grammar lessons, biology, computer science, and SAT prep, among others. Users can download lessons for offline access and resume where they left off, even across multiple devices. Teachers and parents can also assign lessons and monitor student progress directly through the app. One major advantage of Khan Academy is that it is completely free with no ads or subscription requirements. The content is well organized and updated to match modern academic standards. It's also highly accessible, supporting multiple languages and visual learning. On the downside, users have noted occasional bugs with syncing progress or video playback, and some wish for more advanced features tailored to higher education or adult learners. Based on recent user feedback, many students appreciate the app's clear video explanations and structured layout. A parent mentioned their child now uses the app daily and shows improved understanding in math. Another review highlighted how helpful it is for exam prep. However, a few users mentioned lag issues or wished for a more intuitive search function. Overall, Khan Academy's mobile app is a reliable, effective tool for learners looking to supplement their education or gain new knowledge at their own pace. With its strong reputation for quality content and accessibility, it remains one of the most trusted educational apps available. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.